Welcome friends. In this video we will configure Exchange Server 19 CU9 with Server 2019. So let's start. First we have to configure a OS for the Server 19. Let's start. Friends, let's start. First we have to configure install a OS for the server 19 to install Exchange Server 19. For this server configuration, I have choose 16 GB RAM and 2 core. I am installing the server with a VM. So this is a new installation for the server Exchange Server 2019 CO9. First we have I am installing here the 19 server standard edition and GUI mode. Please stay while they complete the setup. After that we will back again. 19 standard version is nearly finish up. Then after the finish up the installation, we'll start the server Exchange server installation and configure step by step. For your detailed understanding, I will show full step of installation of Exchange Server 2019. I will configure within a single mailbox. Later on, I will configure with the DAG and complete ASA and DAG configuration as well. So stay connect with me and do favor for my channel. If you like my channel, in this channel I have more video with server 19 and server 2022, that's been 2022, and there are also more important video. You can have a look for the video or look at my channel. Hello friends, welcome again. The server is booting up, and it's first time I have logged into the local admin. This is server 19 standard edition. First time, though we need this primary configuration like change the name and to join to the domain. After that we will proceed further. It's the first time I am changing the name, and it's a common thing. Allow the you need the remote access. I already allowed and change the time zone and join to the domain. This is the primary requirement for the server readiness. Friends, already I have joined with the domain, and I have logged into with the domain admin for the Exchange installation. Here the username. I have logged into my WMI. That is the login to my domain admin. For the Exchange installation, we need some prerequisites like Exchange. For the Exchange Server 2019 CU9, I am installing this version. For this version, we need some prerequisite first to fulfill the requirement like .NET Framework 4.7.2 or later, and the Visual Basic Redistribution Pack 2012. In my case, the Exchange Server 2019 CU9 need .NET Framework 4.8. 4.7 already include the version, but it is not work. I will show you. From when I am installing, I face the problem. I will also show you during the installation time. I already download two things. That's been Microsoft Unified Communication managed API 4.0 and the Microsoft Visual C++ 2013. Installing the Visual C++ 2013. After finishing this C++, I will install Unified Communication API 4.0, and then we'll prepare domain and schema and other thing. For the previous setup installation, it take about 3 to 5 minute packs of the both pack. And now the UCM, the Unified Communication API 4.0, I am installing. Yes, just next follow the instruction, and next. This pack installation take about 3 minutes. I will be back again. Just stay with me. Friend, I have already fast forward the video. Just I am showing the last step of the UCM installation. After that, we will go to the Exchange installation. In this case, I already mount the ISO with the server for Exchange server to the 19C09. That's been cumulative update 9. And here the lots of command I already copy from the other source. I will share the all the command in my description box. You just copy and run the PowerShell all the command, and it will show the preparation is okay or not. Just copy and paste. I will share all the command and the procedure in my description box as well. I a few minutes, not much time, but this is the first step for the Exchange installation process. If we pass this step, then we can forward next step for the installation Exchange Server 2019. If it will succeed, I will show the 100%. It does is 100% okay, and so it will show the message. All the comments. The friends, here we have pasted lots of command. When from the Exchange Server 2013 or the Exchange Server 2010. When we'll installation the older version, that time we was ran the single command, every single command, and several time, about 30 to 40 time. After that we'll get the result. But now the Exchange from the Exchange Server 13, we can run all the command at a time, and it will take time. It has take time about 3 or 5 minutes, but it will okay, then it will show it's succeed. In this case, I am maybe is everything okay. It will show okay or not. Let's see, and what is the result show for us. Friend, already the process is complete about 98%. Hopefully we'll see a success message for the running all command in on time. Just we have to wait a few moments for seeing the success. So the process has completed successfully, and now we'll take a restart for the server. The server has been restarted. Now we'll run the schema update command. For this run this command, we have to enter the Exchange ISO mounted drive. In this my case, I have mount my Exchange CO9 in with D drive. That's why I have entered D drive. Then I run the command setup the exe and accept the term and condition and prepare schema. If the schema runs is successfully, then we have to proceed further. Just if the for the schema preparation may take about may take 1 minute or 2 minute maximum time for promote, but it was not success. But now I am running the command with PowerShell. But you know we can run the this schema update with PowerShell or command prompt. There is no issue. But I am running with the PowerShell again, and let's see what happened. Oh yes, we are getting the reply message with an error. It say there is a requirement with .NET framework 4.8. I already said before. For CO9 we have to install for the .NET framework 4.8. By default we the server 19 along with .NET 4.7, but CO9 record 4.8. Now I have downloaded another offline version of 4.8 .NET, and then it is only installed only 4%, but its not its requirement is not fulfilled. That's why I have installed download an offline version for the .NET 4.8. Then I am installing this .NET 4.8. Then after that we have to run that command again, schema preparation. For .NET installation it will take few moments. Just we have to wait wait and see when it will be complete. This it's I have there is some window is running. That's mean we have to close all the window. Then installation will be progress. That's why I complete close the CMD and PowerShell window. Is installing .NET framework 4.8. It is you can if you have the server internet connection, but it is suggested the Exchange server and any type of server is will not public facing, or it will not access internet directly. That's why I am downloaded the offline version. That's mean this version is not record any internet or there is some other version. The file size is smaller, about 2 or 5 MB. Then when we start installing, it will search for the Microsoft website, and at that time all the required file is download from the Microsoft website. But that's why I have downloaded offline version. That's when this version package is not record any internet, or it will not access any Microsoft site. It's fully offline version. My server is not able to access internet, but the installation will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Just we have to wait and yes, it is finally nearly the finish line. It may take of few more, not little bit. Maybe it will be finish very soon. It will not take more time. I think it will take me uh, 30 second or 40 second. We'll see here the finish button, then I will run the schema preparation command again with the PowerShell. Hopes we'll get the success for the first command line. Yes, the installation has been complete. Now we have to run that command, the schema preparation command again. Just we have to enter the drive. In this case, in my case, I have mount the ISO with the T drive. I am showing the .NET installation is okay or not. Just wait. Yes, the run the PowerShell with admin privilege with admin, and this command I will share in my with my description box. If you need, you can just copy and paste and run the command when you need. Just the schema preparation is getting ready. It will also take yes, it's Access Server 2019, and this ISO is cumulative update 9. That's why we has need the .NET Framework 4.8 version. That's why that time we was failed run this command. Hopes we'll success this time, because we have fulfilled the requirement the .NET 4.8. We already installed the 4.8 .NET version already installed. You already see it already we already installed the .NET Framework 4.8 before. Since Server 2019 installation has take around is depend on your hardware resource, but in my case it take about 1 hour, because I have my server resource. It is I am installing the server with the VM. I have assigned with the server 2 core and 16 GB RAM, and it is running with VM, so it's take a little bit longer if you use configure with the server 64 GB RAM, or take long time for you. But in my case I have in my case it has take uh, in my case it has taken 1 hour about. I was tried with run the command with the PowerShell generally, but it was taking a long time, and I have restarted again. And I was run the command with the command from the CMD mode, but it is already one step already passed, already completed, and the Exchange Active Directory schema is getting updated. Hope so you will get a good result. Just it's already 77% complete. Let's see it is whether it's success or not. So it is 88. It's 87% already done. This command is running, and let's see it is success or not. This is a fast command for the Exchange installation. It is preparing a schema for the it is preparing schema for the Exchange installation. After that we have to prepare the AD. We are nearly finished. I hope so we'll get a good result. It's already 94% complete. Yes, it is 98%. Yes, The schema preparation is done, is fully completed. It's the exchange server setup operation is done successfully. Now we have to prepare AD for the next. Here you can give a name, is the organization name for the your AD preparation. It will not take a long time. Hopes if the first step we have passed, so hope will we or every step will pass. There is no issue. This is the challenging the first step. The schema the preparation is the challenging for the Exchange installation. Every time I have installed several time Exchange server 10, 13, 19 and for my company, but for the schema update is quite difficult. Every it is not, I am not success in the first time. In my case is the second time it's I have success. The organization, that's mean AD preparation is getting ready. It is it will take a while. Already 68% done. 70 is 84. Maybe it will done by very shortly. 98%. Okay, hope so we'll get the success is very soon. Yes, the organization update or AD preparation is done and it is successfully done. And the same common message, the operation, exchange operation is done. Now we have to uh, run the command for the domain preparation. In this, in my case, my domain name is takeandjoy.take. The all command is okay. Just yes, it is the prepared domain for the my domain. In my case, my domain name is takeandjoy.take. I hope so we'll get the success message again. The domain preparation hopefully will get successful result. Already the preparation analysis is done. Thus now the domain preparation is progressing, is already done, and that's mean our main job for the prerequisite and before the installation already done. And now we have to run the now we'll have to enter the D drive and run the exchange setup from the file from the exchange ISO. Okay, now we are I will run the setup extend setup from the setup file. Just open, and it will show the step. I will not agree to update now because I have no internet. Just I have no update now. If the Excel installation have 13 step, but it take a long time every step, till 7 step. After that it will go faster. So stay connected and see what you made the was the video. And now I will be back again when this will be finished. Here the step 2 is running. Is this step has take long much time, so we have to wait a long time. These 13 step take in my case it has take about 30 minutes. Now it is step 6 of 13, the installation of Exchange 19 CO9. It is now the step 7 of 13, installation of Exchange Server 19 CO9. But after 7 step it will go faster rather than 2 or 3 step. Now the step is now step 10 of 13 for the Exchange Server 19 installation. But next 11 12 step will go faster as my previous experience. It is 11 now. It will go faster in my experience. Yes, it is 12, step 12. I hope so it will nearly finish up. We can stay now for the finishing the server Exchange Server 19 CO9 installation finishing up. After that we'll get a finish button in the yes, it is done now. Setup is completed. Here you tick, then it will open a ECP, that's means server access console. But here I have restarted the server. After that I will be back again, and I will validate the server is okay or not. back again, and I will show you the server is okay or not. Yes, it is the fast login, either WAP is, that's mean mailbox. I am login because default installation there is default mailbox, usable mailbox is administrator, because this is the main user. Oh, okay, I am maybe, oh yes, here you have to put here you have to write your domain and backslash then the user, and then you have to give your password and then sign in is first time. When you sign in, it will should give you the option of the setting up your language and the time location. But every new user, this option is the common option here. Is the English is okay, but in my case I am setting my time zone +6 because I am from Bangladesh. In my case my time zone is +6, and save this first time every mailbox get this option. Then he can yes, it is a fine mailbox. This is the mailbox is exchange setup is okay. Now I can send mail to my address as well, to check the mail send receipt is okay or not internally. Administrator @takenjoy.tech. Yes, I have find my mailbox because I have only this mailbox default created. I will show next time creating or more mailbox for any other video. This is the first mailbox I am getting the video, because you should have to give a subject name then send. First time it may take a few minutes rather than regular this. Yes, it's okay, then send. Let's say whether I have received this mail or not. Yes, it's say showing drop, but it's first time it takes several time. Hope so. The mail, yes, mail has dropped, and I'll receive this mail in my inbox. Yes, this is the first mailbox I have already configured, and I have received the mail from myself. Now I am login to my ECP, that's mean admin console, for the validate this is okay or not. User. If you want, you can create the service mailbox like access.admin. I am showing the default. It is here you can see the server. Yes, this is only the my single server, and this is the default database has. But if there is nothing here, I have not created any ability group now. But I have a plan. I will show you DAC configure, and then for the next video I will configure if for the next video I will configure another Exchange server, and I will show you the DAC configure. Till then till then the next video I will configure another Exchange mailbox, and I will configure DAG for Exchange server 19. Till then, thank you very much, and if you like my video or any other video in my channel, please subscribe and support me. Thank you very much. Bye.